Ben, why are you peeing?
Couldn't hold it anymore.
Couldn't hold it. Shame on you.
I'm getting old.
I want to go check your prostate.
No, thank you.
So we have this E46 M3, belongs to Euroasian Bob. The pinion seal was leaking pretty good, so got that out. One thing you guys need to know, you need to mark the bolt with the shaft, because it has to go back to the same exact spot you took it, because it's been crushed. The bearing has been crushed by factory. It's been torqued to spec, and once it's torqued, then you cannot use a torque wrench to go back. So that's why you mark both of them, and you have to go exactly on the markings you put on. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, you're going to destroy your differential.
Rubber mallet?
Yep. So those are the two markings I made prior to taking it apart, and as you can see, they're like perfect straight and dead on. Happy. There you go, Ben. Now you can
Put it all back.
put it all back. Not the greatest to do on these turbo cars. The other ones I can do them like with my eyes closed. I have this 2008 BMW 535 that came with a coolant light on. So long story short, pressurized it. Well, we did not pressurize it, because you can see the water pump being cracked right here, and it was just pouring down. So right here, they love to crack right here all the time. So. And also this one has a massive oil leak, which is the oil pan gasket. So we're going to give the customer the option for it and see what he wants to do. But the main thing, the car is here because of the coolant leak. So, oh, and today I'm all by myself because John had the knee surgery. I just whacked him on his knee. I'm just kidding. And so he's home. Hopefully he'll come back tomorrow. And unfortunately Ben, he had to go to a funeral to one of his buddies just passed. So that's why I'm all by myself today. Well, it's almost done, so. So we just got this digital air compressor, super small, from Fantech, and we're about to give it a try out. So. So cool. It's kind of heavy. Let's see what this one does. Look at that, so cool. It tells you what's your actual PSI right now. So then we're gonna go to, let's go 45 PSI. Let's give it a try. Ah, I can see it rise up. Wow. And also this one has a light too. Strobe for emergency. And also in here you have a charging port to charge the actual tool, and here you have an output for a USB. You can charge your phone, you can charge whatever you want to do with it. So it's pretty cool. I like it. This is super cool. I wouldn't mind having one in the trunk of my car, especially on my car that I do not have a spare tire. It's awesome. I'll definitely buy one of these. My X5 has a third row and I do not have a spare tire on it, so I'll definitely put one of these just in case I get stranded somewhere, because I don't even have round flats on my car anymore. I hate round flats. So probably I'll buy two. I'll put one on the Ferrari just in case, but definitely it's worth having one. So this is mine.
Oh, just got some original wheels for the Ferrari 355. Taking the 355 wheels off and putting on 348 wheels. So yeah, I just found these, got some new Michelin shoes for them, and going to take off the 355 wheels and sell those and put the car back to stock. This is my Ferrari part 1 and part 2. I did the first video on the car as I got it, and then I'm gonna do a second video on it, you know, when I get it all reconditioned and back to its former glory. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna bring the car over here, get the wheels and tires on, then drive the car over and get them swapped up. And thanks to Jonny, as always, for use of his fantastic equipment and facilities.
My pleasure.
It's my I appreciate it, Jonny.
My pleasure.
Euroasian Bob. You know, it's not really necessarily entertainment YouTube, but we do overviews on our cars for sale. And come by and, you know, stop by there and check it out. And you never know. Like my little tagline is, we never know when we might have your next dream car. I'm ready to roll.
It's not gonna work that way.
What do you mean?
Because here's
Show me the way. So the cone centers it from the back side, not the front side.
yeah. See, so you have no numbers now here.
Mm-hmm.
Before you didn't have.
Okay.
So let's just close this and see how. Now we're gonna do inside. Or
Okay.
you don't want to clamp it here, do you?
Right, that's fine. Yeah, that's going to give you the best. That's going to give you the best balance. You know what I mean?
Oh, you want it clamped?
Oh, we can. Yeah, I can actually add that. I'm not good at math, but I can add that one.
So perfect. That's nothing. That's why I don't think it's gonna cook it.
Yeah.
It's like barely feeling it.
Yeah, it's good enough. There we go. Yeehaw!
You wanna do the honors on that?
Yeah, I got it.
It helps.
Does it? Shows you the light spot of the tire.
The heavy. Where to put the yellow goes on the valve stem.
So that would be the light spot of the tire.
Yes.
Because the valve stem technically would kind of be heavier, possibly. Oh, okay.
What's the actual weight?
Oh, okay. So it's
because this is round up, you know.
I follow you. I follow you.
Because
You're kind of seeing this at a little more developed stage. So we got some of the work done from my part 1 video. Got the front valance repaired and resprayed, and the whole car paint correction, ceramic coated. So like this back lid here, somebody had resprayed it, and they kind of sprayed the paint on heavy and didn't really finish it out. So the guys at Van Gogh went and wet sanded it, polished it up there and everything. Then we pulled off the back louvers, they polished the taillights, ceramic coated the car, ceramic coated the louvers, you know, just all the little paint touch-ups. They masked it off, painted just the bottom half, blended it, and then cleared the whole bumper. Pulled the front grills out, re-blacked in behind the grills, pulled the prancing horses off, polished the horses. I'm kind of getting the cart before the horse on this one, doing all the cosmetics before the mechanicals, but at least it'll be pretty to look at while I'm working on it, right?
I had a boo-boo in my house garage. I share the garage with the wife, so usually she parks pretty nice and straight if I park first. But obviously I had to go somewhere, so she parked before me and she parked way too close to my side. And I did not realize, so while I was backing out, this part touched the corner of the garage. I just went snap. And it was super cold outside, so it didn't take much to snap. So I ordered a new frame, brand new frame from BMW, and luckily the housing itself, it's still intact. No problem there. Just gotta take my time to swap it. So this is super easy to change. Only 4 screws. There it is. About to put the glass on. It's super easy, it just snaps in place. The only problem is being cold, and I've seen it happen before. The actual glass might crack, so half snapped. Just make sure everything is in place. It's clipped. So but hey, way better than it was earlier, so